Some tires die at 15,000 miles. Others go past 90,000. Same size, same price range, completely different lifespan, and most drivers can't tell the difference until it's too late. I've mounted thousands of tires in my shop. Today I'm naming the 7 brands you should walk away from, no matter how good the price looks, and then the 13 that actually earned 60,000 plus miles from real drivers. Stick around for the last one. It's the brand that beats even Michelin in one category most people never check. Let's get into it. The 7 to avoid. 7 Geostar made in China. Consumer Reports flagged it as one of the worst performing brands they tested. Weak wet grip, vague steering feel at speed, and tread that goes bald early. Cheap on the shelf, expensive in a rainstorm. 6 Westlake, owned by Xiaoyang Rubber, one of China's biggest tire makers, proof that a big company doesn't guarantee a good product. To hit a rock-bottom price, the rubber compound gets softer and the tread pattern struggles to clear water. Owners report tread wearing visibly thin well before the warranty mileage. Number 5. Autogreen. Even inside China, this brand gets flagged for durability. Some owners report tread gone in 10 to 15k miles, a fraction of what a tire should deliver. Uneven wear is common too, which shows up as vibration on the highway long before the tire is actually used up. For Carlisle, now Carstar, American-made doesn't automatically mean well-made. Pennsylvania-built, long history but recent complaints center on soft rubber, fast tread wear, and weak performance in extreme heat. Country of origin isn't the metric that matters. Compound and construction are. 3 Xiaoyang, also a Xiaoyang rubber brand, same parent as Westlake. Xiaoyang shows up on budget and replacement fitments where price is the only selling point. Common complaints. Highway tread wear faster than expected, and traction that falls off noticeably in the wet. Too wrong tire for the vehicle, not a brand, a mismatch. The textbook case. The Goodyear G159, built for city buses, ended up on Class A motorhomes like the Fleetwood American Dream in the 90s. At sustained highway speed, the tire overheated and several failed catastrophically. The lesson isn't Goodyear is bad. It's that the asterisk right tire for the right vehicle matters more than the brand name on the sidewall. 1 Unbranded / ultra cheap import tires. No name, no accountability, no consistency. Same batch, 2 tires, one lasts years, one blows out at 8,000 miles. Weak internal belts, unpredictable wet traction, and a track record of blowouts on the highway. This is the one category where cheap and dangerous are basically the same word. Now here's the part your mechanic never tells you for free. The 13 that lasts 60,000 plus miles. 13. Falken, made by Sumitomo Rubber. Reinforced sidewalls and solid tread blocks hold up under load. The Wild Peak A/T3W is the one to look for if you're on a truck or SUV. 12. Nokian, Finnish brand that invented the winter tire in 1934. Their pothole protection technology soaks up impact damage instead of letting it wreck the tread. A big reason owners report even where well past 60k. 11. Kumho, proof that cheaper doesn't have to mean worse. Often 30 to 40% less than premium brands, but the Yentier series compound wears slowly and evenly, with steady highway handling that holds up over time. 10. Firestone, owned by Bridgestone now, which tightened up manufacturing consistency. Backed by a 90-day buy and try guarantee. The destination LE3 is the one drivers point to for reliably crossing 60k miles. 9. Goodrich, owned by Michelin. Built for trucks, SUVs, and rough roads. The all-terrain T/a KO2 and newer KO3 is known for deep tread blocks that survive gravel and highway miles without falling apart. 8. Cooper, now owned by Goodyear. The CS5 Grand Touring carries a treadwear warranty up to 80,000 miles, prorated, with normal rotation. Silica compounds and 3D microgauge siping help grip in rain and light snow. 7. Yokohama, over a century in the business. Their orange oil compound keeps rubber flexible without sacrificing wear life. The Avid Ascend GT is the quiet, long-haul option for sedans and crossovers. Number 6. Hankook went from budget option to genuine premium contender. The Kingery PT has a treadwear rating around 860. Unusually high for an all-season tire, and several automakers now spec Hankook as factory equipment. 5. Pirelli, known for performance, but the Scorpion AS Plus 3 blends grip with real longevity. Some owners report up to 85,000 miles with proper rotation. Even wear and strong wet traction, without the mileage penalty performance tires usually carry. 4. Bridgestone, one of the largest tire makers on Earth. Advanced polymer compounds resist heat buildup, the exact failure mode that killed the G159 earlier in this video. The Turanza Quiet Track is rated up to 80,000 miles with low road noise. 3. Goodyear, over a century of American manufacturing. The Assurance Max Life is built around a wear-resistant compound, with owners reporting up to 85,000 miles when properly maintained and rotated. 2. Continental, original equipment on many Ford and Ram vehicles, meaning it has to pass factory-level durability testing before it ever reaches a dealership. The Ultra Compact NXT won a 2023 International Design Award. Owners report 60,000 plus miles with even wear. 1. Michelin, consistently the top brand in Consumer Reports satisfaction rankings. The only manufacturer to score well across all season categories. The Defender LTX M/S2 is the one built specifically for long tread life. Some drivers report 100,000-mile lifespans with proper care. Here's the pattern across all 13. The brands that last aren't always the most expensive. Kumho and Hankook prove that. What they all share is a compound built to resist heat and wear, not just a low price tag at checkout. Before you buy your next set, check the UTQG treadwear number on the sidewall. It's printed right there, free, and it tells you more than any brand name will. If this saved you from buying the wrong tire, subscribe next week. I'm breaking down the tire pressure myth almost every driver gets wrong, and it's costing you both mileage and fuel economy.